Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Now, let me ask you a question. What if I told you that in the next 10 years, the world as you know it will be completely transformed by a force more powerful than the internet, electricity, and even fire? That force is artificial intelligence, and its future is both incredibly exciting and a little bit terrifying. Will it be our greatest creation or our last? Let's explore what the future of AI could really look like. First, let's talk about the world of work. The question on everyone's mind is, will AI take my job? The honest answer is, it's complicated. Yes, AI will automate many tasks that are repetitive and data-driven. Think data entry, certain types of analysis, and even some manufacturing jobs. But this isn't the whole story. The Industrial Revolution didn't just replace weavers. It created new jobs for mechanics, engineers, and factory managers. Similarly, AI will create entirely new roles we can't even imagine yet. Think AI ethicists, AI trainers, and specialized AI system designers. The future of work won't be about competing with AI, but collaborating with it. Imagine a doctor using AI to diagnose diseases with near-perfect accuracy, or a scientist using AI to simulate complex climate models in seconds. AI will become our ultimate assistant, freeing us up to focus on what humans do best: creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Now let's look at our daily lives. The future of AI is personal. Your home will become a truly smart home, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. Your fridge will order groceries when you're running low, your lights will adjust to your mood, and your personal AI assistant will manage your schedule, book your appointments, and even help you learn a new language. Transportation will be revolutionized by self-driving cars, making our roads safer and our commutes more productive. You could spend your travel time working, relaxing, or connecting with family. Entertainment will become hyper-personalized. AI will generate movies, music, and games tailored specifically to your tastes, creating unique experiences for every single person. It's like having a Hollywood studio and a Grammy-winning artist dedicated just to you. But what about the really big picture? The impact of AI on society as a whole is where things get truly profound. In healthcare, AI could lead to the end of many diseases. By analyzing massive datasets of genetic information and medical records, AI can identify patterns and predict illnesses long before symptoms appear. It could accelerate drug discovery, cutting down the time it takes to find cures from decades to just a few years. Personalized medicine will become the norm, with treatments designed specifically for your unique genetic makeup. In science, AI will be our greatest tool for discovery. It can help us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, from climate change and food scarcity to exploring the deepest corners of space. Imagine an AI discovering a new clean energy source, or a way to make agriculture sustainable for a growing population. The potential is limitless. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We can't talk about the future of AI without addressing the ethical challenges. How do we ensure AI is used for good and not for harm? How do we prevent biases in AI algorithms that could lead to discrimination? What about privacy in a world where AI knows everything about us? And the biggest question of all, what happens if we create an AI that is smarter than we are? These are not easy questions, and they require a global conversation involving technologists, policymakers, ethicists, and all of us. Building a safe and beneficial future with AI requires creating strong regulations, prioritizing transparency, and instilling human values into the very code we write. So, what is the future of AI? It's not a dystopian world of robotic overlords, nor is it a perfect utopia. The future of AI is what we choose to make it. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used to build or to break. It has the potential to elevate humanity, solve our biggest problems, and unlock a new era of creativity and discovery. But it also requires our wisdom, our foresight, and our shared sense of responsibility to guide it in the right direction. The journey is just beginning, and it's up to all of us to shape the destination. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Are you excited, worried, or a bit of both? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. I'll see you in the next one.